Hello students. So today we will discuss about the cylinder. So in this video I will cover up everything. Curved surface area, total surface area and volume. These are the three things which we generally discuss about the 3D shapes. 6 to 10th में तो हम यही discuss करेंगे curved surface area, total surface area and volume of all these 6 3D shapes जो आपने पढ़ी है ना. Cube, cuboid. I have already prepared a video for it. Cube, cuboid. Now we are doing cylinder. Then we will have cone, sphere and hemisphere. 7th 8th class में you will find cube, cuboid, cylinder and somewhere in cone. 9th 10th में आके sphere, hemisphere भी आ जाएगा. So we'll quickly discuss. So first of all you should know what is cylinder. So just see around. There are many cylindrical objects in our house. So I'm seeing this bottle, this can, you can say this is a cylindrical shape, where you can see base is circular, top and bottom both are circular, and this is having some height. So how to draw the cylinder in your notebook? Always remember, this is circular, this is circular. So I'm not going to make a circle like this and make it like this. No, it looks very odd, although that is the original. But how you are looking it from the side, rear view. So I'll make a circle like this, another circle like this, and I will join these two. Okay. Oh, just a minute. I'll make it more proper. So this is the height. Okay. So now these two are circular objects. Circle has only one dimension. Beta, just don't get confused. We are mixing kind of cuboid and circle here. Circle has only one dimension, which is radius. If you are saying diameter also, diameter comes from the radius only. Circle has only one dimension, radius. So both, because we are taking a circle, which, I mean these two circles are equal. ऊपर और नीचे दोनों circle equal हैं. So दोनों का radius भी equal होगा. Cylinder में equal ही होता है. अगर different होगा, that has a different shape. That is not a cylinder. Cylinder में both ऊपर और नीचे के सर्कल सेम होते हैं एंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम इज हाइट. आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू अगेन फ्रॉम दिस बॉटल. सर्कल, it has a radius, but this is the height of a cylinder. So now suppose if you see, I have a 1 rupee coin, or let us say 5 rupee coin. I am placing it here like this. And if I place some another coin over it another, you will see, you will get a cylinder. Top is circle, bottom and top both are circle, and we will have some height. So if you see this is circle, and it obtained some height. If you wish, you can take some bangles and you collect it, or some coins you collect it one over another, stack it over one another, and you will see a cylindrical shape has come up. So my cylinder has two dimensions, radius and height. So first of all, we will discuss its curved surface area. Curved surface area, or what is another name of curved surface area? Lateral surface area. Yes, lateral surface, CSA, or we can say it lateral surface area, which is LSA. So beta, now I'm telling you how this formula has come up. Now you see, curved surface area means this part, yes, only this part. So what is the measurement of this boundary? What is the measurement of this boundary, if you remember from circle? Yes, this is the circumference. This is the circumference. And what is the formula for circumference? 2 pi r. So formula for circumference is 2 pi r. And this 2 pi r is going on and on and on for all these small circles, which is making some height. So ये 2 pi r हम कहाँ तक multiply करेंगे? इस h आने तक multiply करेंगे, इस height तक multiply करेंगे. So its curved surface area, ये पूरा part, if I just have to cover it with some paper, so 2 pi multiply by h. So 2 pi rh is the curved surface area. एक बार और बता रही हूँ, ये पूरा सिलेंडर है, नीचे सर्कल है, ऊपर सर्कल है, ये साइड में हमारा हाइट है विच इज सर्कुलर पार्ट ऑल्सो. इस सिर्फ इस पार्ट को जिसको मैंने अपने हैंड से कवर किया है, इस पार्ट को पेपर से कवर करना है, देन इट विल बी द कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. और ये इसका फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? 2 पाई आर एच. मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन करा 2 पाई आर एच कैसे आएगा, क्योंकि circumference is 2 pi r which is going on till some height. We will multiply that height 2 pi r h. Now we will move towards total surface area. TSA. After doing curved surface area, you might be knowing what is total surface area. This is curved. अगर मैं ये दोनों को भी इंक्लूड कर दूं, ये दोनों को इंक्लूड कर दूं, that will give me total surface area. Okay, curved surface area तो हमें पहले से ही पता है, 2 pi r h प्लस एरिया ऑफ दिस स्क्वायर, ये पूरे का एरिया, और इस स्क्वायर का एरिया. एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर इज, यस, पाई आर स्क्वायर. पाई आर स्क्वायर, पाई आर स्क्वायर, दैट मीन्स 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर आई एम एडिंग. 2 pi r square I am adding to the curved surface area. 2 pi r h, pi r square plus pi r square. Pi r square plus pi r square will give you 2 pi r square. Okay, so this is the formula for total surface area, but we write it in a more simple way. I will just take out 2 pi r common and it will become h and r. So in your books, it is generally written r plus h. So 2 pi r in the bracket r plus h, or you can write h plus r, both are same. In books generally it is written like that. That's why I'm writing it like this. And what is the unit of surface area? I've told you many times, meter square, centimeter square. Now if you see more logically, radius is meter, height is meter. Multiplying these two, meter square. No other thing is there. This is meter. Adding up these two, meter plus meter will give you meter, meter into meter, meter square. अगर समझ आ रहा है, for those who are more brainy, it's okay, it's good. अगर समझ नहीं आ रहा है, then just leave it. Just understand the unit of surface area is meter square. Now we will move to the volume. Volume of cylinder. How to find volume of cylinder? So I will again take this. This is pi r square. अगेन आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग इट. बहुत सारे, कितना एरिया इसके अंदर कंटेन है, बहुत सारे सर्कल्स को हमने ऊपर यहां तक रखा है. दैट मीन्स पाई आर स्क्वायर एरिया को वी विल मल्टीप्लाई टिल एच टाइम्स, कि कितना उसके अंदर आना है, इसके अंदर कितना आना है, या ये कितना स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई कर रहा है इस रूम में. फॉर दैट आई विल मल्टीप्लाई दीज टू डायमेंशंस. हाँ, पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. Now you see r square h. This is area of square and this is height. एक बार और रिवाइज करवा रही हूँ बेटा. 2 पाई आर एच कर्व सरफेस एरिया है, क्योंकि हम सिर्फ ये बाहर का बाउंड्री ले रहे हैं, विच इज द पेरीमीटर. पेरीमीटर है वो, इसलिए पेरीमीटर लगाया था. टोटल सरफेस एरिया इज ये पार्ट एंड दीज टू टॉप टू सर्कल्स. उसका 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर है, सेंटर वाले का 2 पाई आर एच है. उसे डिडक्ट करके हमारे पास आया 2 पाई आर इंटू आर प्लस एच. ना वॉल्यूम के लिए पाई आर स्क्वायर नीचे वाले का है, पूरे के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एच, पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. बेस्ड ऑन दिस यू हैव मेनी क्वेश्चंस टू डू. हाँ, वन मोर थिंग, यूनिट फॉर दिस इज मीटर क्यूब. यू सी आर इज मीटर, आर स्क्वायर मीन्स मीटर स्क्वायर, एंड एच भी मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, देन वी विल गेट मीटर क्यूब. So this is how we can find out the questions based on the curved surface area, total surface area and volume of cylinder. ज्यादा tricky नहीं है, थोड़ा सा brain लगाना पड़ेगा. Now you are growing up, you are in 8th standard, 9th standard, so you just have to put little more brain. Radius और height को थोड़ा combine कर रहे हैं, but when you practice 15-20 questions, it will be hands on to you. आप बहुत easily फिर सारे questions कर पाएंगे. And please tell me how do you like my videos? Comment on it. If you're having any questions, do write in the comment box. Share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.